A factory with the average complexity, amount of complexity, would need to host around somewhere between 100 and 150 different forms, different activity templates, or different tasks that needs to happen to manufacture something. These tasks will repeat many more times, up to 200 times per order. A challenge that we have to digitize a factory is to actually put those forms on system. It's not that it's hard, but there are too many of them. You have to do 150 of those. So if you had to build these as screens, as an app, that would be super challenging. So we make TilliT in a way that is easy for us to build those, but we still think that it could be easier, and we still think that maybe there could be something that could assist on the process of creating those forms, and I want to show you what that maybe looks like. Come with me. Okay, just opening up a development account here in TilliT. I'm heading to the activity template list. So this is where we'll build all those hundreds of activities templates, so different forms to perform different activities. Let's say I have a cheese factory and I have to do a half-hourly check. So I'm setting that up as for the operating supervisor to be able to see this form. I'm not going to worry about the workflow itself, I'm just going to worry about the form. So here we have get suggestion from AI. So now I read the name that I proposed, which is the half-hourly check for a cheese manufacturing. And now it's going back to AI. Yes, it is going to ChatGPT and is going to get some suggestion of what is a cheese, what should a cheese maker do every half an hour. So it takes a little bit to run, but here is the result. So it brought in the name of the cheese maker, the date of the cheese maker, the cheese weight. But just like ChatGPT, this is a conversation, so you can, talk back to the AI and ask to change things. Here I'm trying to type chemical. So I wanna just tweak this form. So I don't like the fact that I'm asking for a cheesemaker because it's a factory. I don't really have a cheesemaker, and I don't care about the time of production because it's actually recorded in TilliT itself. And also I can see that the chemical test results came as a multiple option list, but really I want to use a pass-fail, which is much easier to use. So again, I'm asking AI to change what they first suggested, and there you go. Now I realize that I forgot to mention the physical and microbiological test result. I want them to also be pass-fail. This is where I completely fail on trying to type microbiological text, but eventually managed to. Again, it's optional to use this. It's really to help you. On my test, I realized that I can actually copy a whole existing form. I didn't want to show this because all the forms I have are confidential from the customer, from the user, but I could actually just copy and paste a whole Word document into this, and it will understand the questions of the form, and it will actually build the form in the structured way that TilliT needs. So now I'm checking all the items that I'm interested in, and they come in as the activity template items we need. So that was really cool. This is how we can use ChatGPT within TilliT. It's a very brand new feature, a bit experimental, but we are releasing it out to our users to see what they think and to see if this can help us digitize faster, even faster. Thanks a lot. Bye.